Most students panic when they hear the word thesis. They don't know where to start, and they waste weeks going in circles. If that's you, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to begin your thesis or dissertation, step by step, so you can start with confidence and avoid common mistakes. Welcome to Research Simplified Lab. I'm here to guide you through your research journey, from finding a gap, all the way to writing and defending your final report. Let's get started. The very first thing you should do is check your university's requirements. Every institution has slightly different rules for formatting, structure, and length. Download your department's thesis handbook or template. Trust me, this step will save you hours of editing later, because you'll know exactly what's expected before you even start writing. Next, choose a broad area that interests you. Don't try to be too specific right away. For example, instead of saying, the impact of AI on rural farmers in Kenya, start with something like, technology and agriculture. Starting broad allows you to explore options, then narrow down later when you've read more. Once you've picked a broad area, start reading for context. At this stage, you're not trying to master every detail. Just skim abstracts, introductions, and literature reviews. Look for recurring themes, patterns, and questions that researchers are asking. This will give you a sense of where the field is heading. Now comes the most important part, finding your gap. Ask yourself, what's missing in the research? Is there something outdated, or do different studies contradict each other? Gaps usually appear in three places: the limitations section of articles, in older studies that need updating, or in areas with conflicting results. Spotting a gap is like finding a missing puzzle piece. That's where your research comes in. Once you've found a potential gap, draft a simple research question. Keep it short, clear, and specific. For example, how does mobile technology improve record keeping for small-scale farmers? Notice how it's focused, but not overly complicated. At this stage, your question doesn't need to be perfect. You'll refine it later. Before you go too far, talk to your supervisor. Don't wait until you've written 20 pages. Share your early ideas and get feedback. This saves you from wasting time on a topic that isn't suitable. Your supervisor's guidance at the beginning can help shape your research in the right direction. So to recap, start by understanding your university's requirements. Choose a broad area of interest. Read for context, not depth. Identify a gap. Draft a simple question. And finally, talk to your supervisor early. Starting simple is the secret to finishing strong. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to find your research gap step by step. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's also writing a thesis. And let me know in the comments, what stage of your thesis are you in right now?